At Loqate, we set the standard in global address verification by combining the most performant, scalable technology with the richest and most precise premise-level address data in the world. We enable our customers to have the highest confidence and trust in their location data. Loqate possesses a rich suite of global capabilities through continuous innovation. We ensure every address is captured accurately. Every location is verified and enriched meticulously, and every transaction is completed with confidence. Our technology is deployed at speed and scale anywhere, processing over 50 million transactions a day for thousands of customers, delivering unrivaled time to value. With Capture by Loqate, you will have access to the simplest and fastest way to capture accurate customer address data. Through a single connection to our global APIs, you can receive a complete and precise address in as few as 3 keystrokes, reducing entry time by 80% and input errors by 20%, and with our fuzzy matching capability. Even when your customer makes a mistake, such as a typo, Loqate will automatically correct it. Capture utilizes location biasing, so no matter where your customers are located, they'll see results closest to their location. For the best way to standardize and verify any address, turn to Verify by Loqate. With Verify, correct and enrich address data to the highest level of precision and confidence, globally and at scale. You can also enrich any verified address with transliteration, geocoding, and postal certifications. Verify's advanced AI-powered parsing engine delivers an unmatched standardizing capability and increases the accuracy of any address. Data maintenance by Loqate is the easiest way to benefit from Loqate's data quality capabilities with a broad range of high-volume data quality services. Correct, suppress, and enrich location, customer, and business data, ensuring it is optimized to deliver the accuracy and performance you need. This is done at speed and scale without the need to onboard a new software. Data maintenance is compliant with all regional data privacy regulations and is capable of quickly processing millions of records in mixed formats and layouts. Loqate goes beyond addressing with global email and phone validation. With a single integration, meet all your validation needs with global coverage. Use our flexible APIs for any use case, whether real-time validation or large batch processing. Watch how our software goes beyond the basics. With email, it's not just checking for an @ symbol or valid domain, but pings the server to detect whether the mailbox is valid. With phone, separate mobile numbers from temporary numbers and landlines to better inform anti-fraud applications and know you are reaching your customer. Save money, time, and effort through reducing failed deliveries, improving customer onboarding rates, protecting from fraud, and more with Loqate. Set up a call today to learn how partnering with Loqate will transform the way you do business.